Action words. Words that show us what we can do. Let's learn together. Splash.
Oh no.
Water everywhere. Splash in the puddle. That looks fun. Silly face. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. Make a silly face with me. Bounce. Boing, boing, boing. Up, down, bounce with me. Yum, yum, yummy. Chocolate chip cookie. So yummy. Snuggle. A big cozy hug that makes us happy. Run. Zoom, zoom. Move your feet fast. Run with me. Hop. Hop, hop. One little foot goes up and down. Can you hop? Doodle. Swirls and lines. Pick a crayon and draw. Here we go. Doodle, doodle, doodle. Wobble. Side to side, oh, so silly. Try it with me. Twirl. Spin around and around. Look how she twirls. Jump. Jump up high. Can you jump with me? Great job! You learned so many action words today. Keep learning and having fun. Explore more fun learning topics in our app. Find the link below in the description. See you next time.